Want to make posters like these in Photoshop? Create new window with these properties. Make a new layer with solid color. Go to Filters. Add noise about 15%. Now go to Filters and add Gaussian blur about 1%. Make selection of your picture. It'll take few seconds. Go to Select and Mask. Select Refine Edge Brush tool and deselect unwanted areas. And hit OK. Ctrl+J to make a copy of your selection and drag it to your main file. Adjust your image according to you. Now select Polygon tool to select your image like this. Once your selection is done, delete that part of your image. Same process to the other side. Now select your image and go to Filter Gallery. Select paint daubs and sharpness would be around 15% and hit OK. Now make a black and white layer. Adjust the settings to your image. Now you can do two things. Create a clipping mask to your image, or select both the layers and hit Ctrl+E to merge them together. Type your text and adjust it to your image. Make a duplicate of your image. Bring it to the top and hide it.
Now, select your image and hit the mask icon to create a mask.
Hold Ctrl and click on text icon to make selection. Now select mask icon and paint areas you don't want. You can regenerate areas you deleted by pressing X button on your keyboard and repaint that areas. When you're done with masking, unhide the upper layer and clip mask it to text layer. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Go to FX and select Stroke. Now, select Drop Shadow. And hit OK. For other steps, let me speed up the process because it's only about copy and pasting the shapes.